This was cleared.
Yes, actually you are the police.
Yeah. And they said only 2 will go in.
Only 2?
Yes, these 2 are going in.
It's okay, but no placards inside.
So just go in.
No placards inside. Sorry.
Hi, where are you? Let's go.